Have you ever wondered how AI can revolutionize design and collaboration tools? Introducing the groundbreaking integration of artificial intelligence into FigJam. The tech world is abuzz with this news, and for good reason. Figma, the company behind FigJam, has made a bold stride in merging AI with design and collaboration. This innovative move is set to drastically lower barriers, expand possibilities, and redefine the landscape of visual collaboration. One of the key features of this integration is the ability to automate mundane tasks. Yes, you heard that right. No more spending precious time on repetitive actions. The AI in FigJam takes care of these, allowing users to concentrate on the conversation and the creative process. Think about the endless possibilities. Planning a brainstorming session, FigJam's AI can generate templates for you. Need to focus on the discussion at hand? Let the AI handle the tedious tasks. It's all about driving efficiency and productivity, and FigJam's AI integration is at the forefront of this revolution. But don't be fooled into thinking it's all about automation. The AI features in FigJam are rooted in principles that define a good FigJam board. This means it doesn't just automate, it learns, it adapts, and it evolves. Its capabilities extend to making reliable and discoverable recommendations, gradually building prompts that align with your needs and preferences. As we delve deeper into the future of design and collaboration tools, the potential for artificial intelligence becomes increasingly apparent. Figma envisions a future where AI models think visually, further enhancing the capabilities of tools like FigJam. In essence, the AI features in FigJam are designed to empower teams. Its goal is to transform concepts into collective action, making meetings more productive and fostering a more collaborative environment. This is not just an upgrade, it's a game changer. So, as we navigate this exciting new frontier of AI in design and collaboration, remember that FigJam is leading the way. Its integration of AI is not just about making life easier, it's about unlocking new levels of creativity and collaboration. It's about redefining what's possible. And that, dear listeners, is the power of AI in FigJam. Stay tuned for more exciting updates as we continue to uncover the incredible potential of AI in the world of design and collaboration. Subscribe to keep up with the latest AI news.